Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by organizing inputs and creating a 3D comp so you can work fast. Import high-res plates and texture EXRs, then convert key elements into separate layers. This lets you build depth. Once done, enable 3D switches and place a camera. Set focal length to about 35 mm for realistic perspective. Make sure to pre-compose each zone, foreground, midground, background, so you can project cleanly. This initial structure prevents messy layer transforms later and speeds up projection. Now you paint and project to turn photos into geometry-driven matte painting. You project each pre-composed layer onto simple cards or curved shells, and paint seams directly on the projected texture. This fixes parallax when the camera moves. While painting, retouch edges with cloning and content-aware techniques, and export new texture passes back into After Effects. Also bake displacement and roughness maps for subtle surface variation. That helps light react believably to your 3D camera moves and sells depth. Finish by integrating lights and atmospheric passes so everything reads as one scene. You add key and fill lights, subtle ambient occlusion, and a light haze using depth passes. Then render with multi-frame rendering or export layered EXRs for final color work. Make sure to match grain and color temperature to the plate. This unifies elements. If you see projection seams or flicker, reproject the offending layer with corrected UVs, or raise sampling and motion blur samples to eliminate artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.